Any second now. We're gonna hit some roller coasters today. All right, now this is the crowd.
Coffee it is. I don't want Starbucks.
I don't either. This is what we get for waking up a little later, huh? Sleeping in.
I don't want coffee from Starbucks.
All right, let's see what else they got. They have a Cinnabon. They might have that.
Coffee over there.
Been good. There it is, the Hulk roller coaster. That's what's the first on the agenda. All right, we finally did it.
It was fun.
We rode Hulk, and it took us a couple tries because we had to go to Spider-Man first, and we had some issues with the lockers, but otherwise it was a good ride, definitely.
Worth the wait.
Yeah, highly recommended for sure. All right, so we just rode the Bluto's raft, and we're soaked from head to toe. Sandy got her shoes all wet.
The people dryer.
Battery got wet, but we're letting it air dry as well. It was fun though.
Much needed.
Much needed cooling for a hot day.
Let's get you ready to enter the paddock with real live rapture. Scan your park ticket at a locker station that has a green light.
The Velocicoaster, how'd you handle it, baby?
It was fun after I threatened to kill you.
She was having a panic attack right before we got on. She almost didn't get on though. Weather delays, so we're just chilling, waiting by Harry Potter Land here. Not even rain can stop us. Rain feels pretty good actually, huh? Refreshing.
Not at all. It's kind of cold.
And that's why we're heading back to the hotel.
I think we rode enough rides for the day.
All right, baby, what'd you get?
Strawberry ice cream.
Nice. Nice. With strawberries, right? I got cheesecake with strawberries. Tastes pretty good. Day 2 at Universal Studios. And we're headed back to the hotel for some R&R and some much needed alcoholic drinks in our lives.
In the pool.
And pool time, because that's a more important. But
I got ice cream. Finally, I had some ice cream. I was craving ice cream. I got your toast, honey.
Yep. I got my official transporter of the water over here.
This water's fucking cold.
And I'm just chilling with,
It's cold. Water is cold.
oh, and the water's really cold. Okay, I wasn't ready for that. My wife is not a kind person right now, but I forgive her. All right, try and get on, babe. You can do it. Oh my God, you can do it. You know? Oh.
Oh, I guess he's talking to him.
Yeah, he was.
I can't.
You gotta go right there, honey.
Yeah.
the stairway, okay. Oh, she did it.
Now I get to relax while he pushes me. I think we got in trouble for not moving. But we're moving now. Was it us or was it that little boy that got in trouble?
Oh yeah, probably.
They don't tell us anything yet. Too many rules.
Hey, unless it's illegal to film at Universal Cabana Bay, but I doubt it.
Too many rules over here, everywhere. No filming, nothing. It's like, how are you supposed to make memories?
There you go, there you go.
Later.
Payback.
I'm moving away from it. This is not working. I'm working out.
There you go. It's all you. Although she got wet, I got wet too. So, day 3 at Universal. Time to wrap up our Universal trip and ride some more roller coasters. Right, baby?
I woke up in a bad mood.
I can attest to that.
You lose everything.
Nah, it's not my fault.
It
She's
was
lying.
my fault. Sorry.
Today it was actually
My fault. I think that's why I'm still in a bad mood, because it was my fault. This time.
It's fine. Only 70% of the time I'm wrong.
Oh yeah.
As you can see, today does not look crowded because we are here for early admission before 9 a.m. So we're back at the Harry Potter land, Harry Potter World, whatever this place is called. And we just rode the weakest roller coaster in the park just to get things started. What'd you think about that, baby?
It was shaky.
Shaking?
It was alright.
Kind of like the Texas Giant,
Yeah, mini
but a
Texas,
smaller
yeah.
version.
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't really recommend it. It's not the best one here for sure.
You get a
But-
beautiful view though.
Yeah, definitely. And they slow it down so you can admire the view for a little bit.
Yeah.
We did it again. We did it again. We got soaked.
That
And
one
it's-
right there.
This one.
That was fun.
You will get wet on this ride.
Not as wet as the other one, as yesterday's ride.
Yeah. But from head to toe for the most part, except our shoes are pretty dry. That's the only difference. Oh, we got a Tyrannosaurus Rex behind us. Oh. I did it again. I wrote, what did I write? Velocicoaster?
I don't know the name. I forget.
Yeah. My wife bailed on me again.
No, I didn't.
She left me all by my lonesome up
You
there.
said again. It was the first time.
Well, she almost bailed on me the first time.
Okay, get that right.
Sorry,
ordered once,
correction.
that's all I need.
All
That's
right.
all I need, one ride.
So I guess I'm gonna be riding roller coaster solo for the rest of the day.
Maybe, maybe not.
All right, we'll see. Yeah, come up here.
Sorry.
I just rode the Hulk again. Single rider line is where it's at. I only waited for about 5 minutes and then I got on the roller coaster. Any second now. They shut it down.
No one.
goes up. Straight up. Hollywood Rip Roaring Roller Coaster. Rip Ride Roller Coaster. And then you get down there, you pick your soundtrack, and then you go. Alright. We just rode this one.
I almost didn't ride it though, but I changed my mind. I'm glad I did, but it was still not the best. It shook a lot. It gave me a headache, but it wasn't that scary.
Yeah. We did better with the Hagrid's motorbike. I think that one was worth riding more than once.
Yep.
This one behind us is a one and done.
Yeah, that one gives you a headache, but it's not scary.
Yeah, not scary.
It looks
Incredible
scary.
Hulk is probably the most comparable dizziness, but I would say Incredible Hulk is 100 times better.
Smoother.
Yep. All right. Well, we're moving on to the Mummy.
Again.
Okay. There it is. Say goodbye, Universal. This is it. No turning back. We've already ridden everything. We've exhausted our options. So now it's time to go grab something to eat, get a drink, go back to the hotel, grab a drink there, and then go to the pool and relax the rest of the time we're here. We leave tomorrow afternoon. We just got back. This is the pool we still haven't gone to. We've been too busy riding roller coasters. This rain needs to stop. We had sunlight, now we have clouds. They're just hating on us. We got our drinks.
I really wish we had sun.
Yeah. This is the experience we got tonight. Is it wrong that I want to slide down this slide?
Look, there's a grown-ass man over there.
When all these kids are sliding down it?
Look, there's a grown-ass man over there going down the slide. Why can't you?
I'm scared, baby.
Of what?
Of being judged. To our final day in Orlando, Florida. Cabana Bay. Alright, it's officially our last day here at Cabana Bay and Orlando, Florida. We had a great time. Now we're gonna go get some breakfast at Universal City.
It's been a stressful morning though.
Yeah, been a crazy morning. Hopefully we can sort things out when we get to Universal City.
Not my fault.
No, nobody's fault.
It's your fault.
Maybe it's my fault, I don't know. Go figure, the day that we're about to leave and it's storming, the rain just started pouring and the lightning just started striking. I don't know if you can see it. Everyone's coming inside from the outside. And it's pouring out there. Our flight is delayed, but it's not delayed too bad. I think it was, what was it, like 45 minutes?
Un chingo.
Or maybe 35 minutes.
Un chingo.
Nah, not that bad.
It's alright. It's a waiting price. It's been a waiting process all week. Wait, and wait.
Wait in lines, wait for buses, wait for Ubers.
Still waiting to win the lotto. Mi madre.
Well, we got a plane wait. We're waiting for the plane now to let us in. It's like we've never had to wait inside a terminal, or what is this called?
I don't even know. We picked American Airlines.
Yeah,
we ended up
normally
in
they're
it.
good. So waiting to depart Orlando International Airport.
We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff.
We are exhausted, and we want to be home already.
Our honor to care for you on
There was
your
a
journey.
damn
If you
kid
have any
crying.
questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the